To install a new insulin cartridge, you will need to remove the cartridge holder. First, remove the InPen cap. Now, twist off the cartridge holder counterclockwise. Now you will need to rewind the screw. Grasp the end of the black knob with one hand and grasp the end of the screw with the other hand. Twist the screw counterclockwise until the screw is fully rewound. Note: ensure you rewind the screw completely so that you can fit a new insulin cartridge in. Now you will insert the new cartridge. Note: check the insulin cartridge to make sure it is not cracked or broken and the insulin looks as it should. Now, slide the insulin cartridge into the cartridge holder with the small end first. Next, push the cartridge holder and InPen body straight together. Twist the InPen body onto the cartridge holder until you feel or hear a click. Now you will attach a needle. To attach the needle, remove the needle package. Put the needle straight onto the InPen. Twist clockwise until tight. Pull off the outer needle cap and save it for the needle removal later. Now, remove the inner needle cover and throw it away. To deliver your insulin dose, you will first need to prime the InPen. Note: priming the needle removes air and ensures your dose is delivered. Prime before every dose. Turn the black knob until the window shows 2 units. Hold the InPen with the needle pointing up. Press the button until the window shows a 0. Repeat until insulin comes out of the needle. Next, you will be able to dose insulin. Before taking an insulin dose, important: follow your healthcare provider's instructions for determining an insulin dose. Use the following procedure to take an insulin injection after determining if a dose should be taken and how much to take. Refer to the user guideline for more information. Turn the black dose knob until the window shows your recommended dose. Clean insertion site with alcohol. Insert the needle into your skin. Press the black dose button until the window shows a 0. Wait for 8 seconds and then remove the needle from your skin. Replace the outer needle cover and twist off the needle. Now, place the InPen cap back on.